This is an industry that's never going away, that has significant opportunities. If you come in and you have some passion, if you want a career path, this is the place to be. Is it a hard job? Of course it is. Is it a lucrative job? Absolutely can be. We've gone from 10 locations in 2010 to 27 today.
To get motivated, just make the customer happy. Get the trucks in, figuring out what's wrong the first time, getting them back on the road as fast as we can. Working for Allstate Peterbilt is a lot different because than working for other competitor shops, because it seems like we're more of a family here. Allstate Peterbilt has made a big difference in my career by offering me all sorts of training, made me a better mechanic. I grew up on a farm, started working on trucks pretty early on, kind of kept with it, and made a career out of it.
Good, smart, aggressive people. We need tons. If you fit that criteria, you need to get in here because we want you.